Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here to introduce you to a brand new product. This is a universal helmet lock, the HOGWORKZ Fort Knox helmet locks. These are available in black or chrome. They're going to mount to any handlebars, saddlebag guards, and engine guards up to 1.25 inches. Today in our Michigan shop, we're going to demonstrate just how easy these are to get them on your ride. Let's get into it. Included in the kit will be the helmet locks themselves, the keys, as well as 2 different sets of hardware depending on which size bar you're installing these on. Keep in mind, the screws are security bolts, so once they are installed, they are very tough to get off. Okay guys, so on this Street Glide, we're going to be installing a black helmet lock onto our black crash bar here. So for an 1.25 inch crash bar, you're going to want to use the longer provided screws, not the shorter ones. Again, these are security screws, so once they're installed, they are very, very difficult to remove. So go ahead and position the helmet lock where you'd like it on your bar. Position the C-clamp behind it. And then I'm just going to finger tighten these first. Get them both started on each side. So again, just get them finger tight for now on both sides before we completely tighten these screws down. Because like I said, these are security bolts, and once they're on, they're not moving. All right, so once you have them finger tight and in a position you like, we're gonna go ahead and tighten them down all the way. Get them pretty snug, do the other side, and then go ahead and fully tighten it down. Okay, once you have the helmet lock installed, you want to check the function of the lock. Just insert the key, turn left. That's going to open up the mechanism here. You can turn back and pull out. This is currently in an unlocked position. Once you get the helmet installed, you're going to just push up here and push down on the top button there, and it is going to be fully locked. Okay guys, we're going to install a chrome helmet lock on the Saddlebag Guard of this Road Glide Limited. In order to do that, the bar is a bit small. I believe it is 0.875 inches, so you're going to want to use the shorter screws that are provided in the kit. So you're going to want to position the helmet lock where you want it. Get the C-clamp in behind the lock, and again, you're just going to want to hand tighten these screws, not fully tighten them. Okay, once you have them hand tightened a bit and in the position that you like, we can now go ahead and tighten them down completely. We'll go ahead and snug the final one down on the other side.